see your face when you said you want to cook. Oh yeah, now come and take over. Yeah, enjoy.
We shall be making banana pancake.
I think it's not showing now. Wait, what are you doing here?
Shall be making banana pancake. So we use banana depending on the quantity you want to make. Then we have a sausage. Then I have cocoa powder.
We are making banana pancake now. So we put cocoa powder there because you can decide to make chocolate pancake.
You can make chocolate pancake. You can put your cocoa powder if you want to make your chocolate pancake. Depending on your choice. Then zinc and chocolate.
Oh, chocolate what? Chocolate flavor.
Chocolate flavor. Then we have milk. Then we have baking soda.
Yes.
Baking powder again. So
Sugar and eggs.
we have sugar
And eggs. It's okay, those sugar and eggs. Now start with your banana.
We start with our banana.
Now you peel one. This girl makes up kitchen. You put it inside that bowl. No. The smaller bowl. Angel, you must show what she's doing, not just her face. So. There's a way you can show what she's doing.
See?
And her face.
We peeled our banana.
So peel another one. Use 3. Use your fork. Press it, just match it with your fork. Careful, hold your fork like this. Hold it here. See, let me show you. Let me give you an example. So you keep matching it. Very soon, everything will become better. See? Yeah, continue. You need to make sounds. If you don't get it, just keep on doing it, keep on trying it, okay? It's okay, just use your hand. Don't let the shell fall inside her. The yolk can go. Enjoy, you'd have collected that thing from her. Don't let her work fast. This the the shell didn't fall inside. Yeah, mix it. Be careful, don't let it fall.
So we are going to be using this cup to measure our flour. This is 1 cup. And I'm going to be using 2 cups.
You can collect it. Yeah, sieve.
I'm going to sieve.
You're making it pour. It must not come out from here. It must only come out from here. See? You're There's a way you shake it. Angel, what did this thing? Let me show her. You're putting your hand in the camera this thing.
I want pancake as well.
Oh yeah.
You might not be able to hold it here because it's big, so hold it here. And carefully do it. Yeah.
So we have our baking powder.
Yeah, you have told them before.
Right.
So you're measuring 2 teaspoons. But because you have... No, it's too full. Use the side. Yeah. 1, 2. So why are you measuring 4?
I'm measuring 4.
Because what you have with you is half
is
teaspoon.
half teaspoon.
And you need
And
2
we need 2
teaspoons.
teaspoons.
Okay, so cover it. The baking soda. Baking soda, yes. Measure 2.
This is our baking soda.
It's too full. Okay, oh yeah, it's okay. Oh, wait. Yeah. Create a hole in the middle. Wait. Yeah, pour your butter. Everything. See the way this is pouring. Do it gently. Do it like this. Careful. Wait. Gently. You don't need to do everything at once. Just do it gently. It will be mixing. Everything will be mixing. Then we need to pour milk. So hold on. Let me open the milk. You are blocking the camera. Don't waste the milk. Full. The way Dezeerie is doing now. It's okay. Mix gently.
So I added a cup of water to
Half
this.
cup.
I added half cup of water to this mixture because it was still thick. I added it off camera. So now I'm going to be adding another half cup of water to it. So this is the consistency your batter should be. You need your batter to be. So now I'm just going to go back to the frying stage.
Yeah.
So I'm going to be adding this a little bit of oil into my frying pan.
It's okay.
So I'm going to be using this half spoon to scoop my batter into my frying pan. This half cup. Scoop my batter.
My batter. Which one is my bar?
My batter. My batter into my frying pan.
Oh yeah. It's okay. Don't spoil this thing.
So once you see that your batter is bringing out bubbles, you should know that it's time to flip it over.
Yeah, flip over. Dezeerie will burn this thing.
My mom helped with the flipping over of the pancakes and with the frying of the sausages and the eggs because I'm not a pro yet, and me and Fire we are not friends until when I'm grown up. Then me and Fire are now the best of friends, and I'm still learning. What we have here is banana pancakes, which was made by me, and the fried sausages with scrambled eggs, which was made by my mom. Yummy.